So it is, I never know what date it is, the March 29th. We are seeing Q1 come to an end. What up? What up? So looking at GJ, looking at the 4 hourly, mainly first the daily. Look at the daily. I do favor the upside on this, but that's a bit of indecision we see on GJ. If we do manage to stay below, above 150.5, I'm still looking to take this long. Why? Because of all this right here, and I do still favor the upside. Looking at this nice, beautiful retracement. Everyone could have been a head and shoulders here, but that didn't happen. First point of call will be 152 for me. Looking at it, we did have a nice reaction from this level right here, this 4 hour, the weekly high of that level right there. So nice little confidences there. But we still had this pullback, which I didn't like too much. If we see on the 4 hour, you can see that clearly. What does that mean? That just means the sentiment was risk off. So I will be looking to the Tankan index. They have some fundamentals coming about the yen to see what that will bring for the yen. But for now, I do favor a strong pound in the weekend. But to buy this, I have to wait for the sentiment to change. What is the sentiment? Risk off right now. You can see gold, although gold is a safe haven, blah, 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 but dollar is also safe haven. And dollar is stronger right now. And as you can, I said we're trapped between the jaws of 1745 and 1720. What does that mean for me? That means we're consolidating, but we were making lower highs, as you guys can see. This was a fake out right there, tapped into all these key levels and then dropped. Now, so what do I want to see? Well, Sean has the thesis that we could see gold go long now because apparently, let me just excuse me for a sec, because this is the first drive there. Then you have the pullback, and if I just clone that, I don't really use this method, but this is what I got from his webinar. You can see it's pretty much the same. And then so you clone this, and that was the reaction everyone was hoping for, to see that third push into this high right here. And he still believes that could potentially happen, but now from down here, that'll probably be 1760. So that lines up quite nicely with my levels there. If that happens good, what I would want to see before I long gold is, first off, a weakness in the yields. What does that mean? When the yields are going up, the gold's going down. So I need to see yields going down for gold to go up. What else do I need to see? Right now, I like what I'm seeing for any longs. In the 4 hour, we can see we have been stopped here. We broke above, we came back, we couldn't break that level again. I would like to see maybe on the 1 hour, already got some form of bounce from there, a retest, a bounce again. Then I might look to go long on that. That would be a counter trend trade against all of this price action. But for me, if we get here and the 4 hour gives me some kind of reversal candle, I am shorting this from here to at least 1700 would be my first point of call, and then 16, 17, and so forth. But I still favor short on this. I will keep favoring short until we break 1800. This ball game, just tell you how short I am on this. GU, we can see that risk off sentiment continue, but GU does look like it is primed to go short. Look at the daily. Wow, that's a beautiful shooting star. Now, I might not buy GJ until I see QU turn around, but they are not correlated because the yen could be weak, but the dollar could be strong. But if you look at GU, what we can see here is it tapped into that low and this low, and it rejected off of both of them. Well, what does that mean? Of course, you can see with the previous weekly, we had not a fairly bearish a fairly bullish candle, but mainly just to fill this gap. So we can kind of say that this candle here could have just been just a full candle. Where's my highlighter? It could have just been a full candle from down here, just straight through. So if that was the case, what did we see? We saw a bearish candle that tapped into this low, but failed to close below it. And what has it done? It has come straight into this low here and this low here, and was melted, tapped into them, melted down, tapped into, and it's now trading below this level. Sorry, lost my words there for some reason. So looking at the 8 hourly, nice bearish engulfing, nearly missing 1.385. We know how important that is. 1.3 is no joke, of course. Looking at the 1 hour, well, I do favor the shorts on this one. This will actually be a better trade. If I'm looking for a trade right now, this could be a trade I want to take. I see one tap here, and then look to short this from right there. Stops tucked above there, nothing too crazy. I don't know if the risk reward would fit on this though. Yeah, that's the problem with GU. My stops are crazy large on these, so. But that would be a short I would have favored if my risk reward time. So looking at all the pairs, mainly risk off. GJ might go short, but if we do, I'd like to see that from 152. If it doesn't happen, no problem. Could be from 150.5. Could this be the start of a new downtrend? We'll see. But with GJ, we usually, when we have those downtrends, it just drops. But you never know. Market's always changing. Thank you.